Here we have a nice differentiation question. We're going to be differentiating two different things. The first one is y as a function of x, and we're going to be using the chain rule to differentiate this bit and the product rule because we've got two things multiplied together. And we're going to be sure to give our answer in this form. And what they've done basically is they've got dy by dx, and then they've pulled out this common factor of x squared minus 1 to the 4. So x squared minus 1 to the 4 is going to come out when we've got our derivative, and then what's left will be the g of x. In part B, we are going to be solving an inequality. So be super careful here because lots of students lose one of these 2 marks. It should be straightforward, it's part of our basic algebraic techniques, but just go careful at that stage because I don't know why, but students often go wrong with inequalities. So this is a potentially dangerous part of the question here. In part B, we've got x as a function of y, so we're going to be using the fact that dx by dy is the reciprocal of dy by dx to find the derivative, and we need to give it in its simplest form, it says. So simplest form is factorised, and anything like, for example, a root 8 would be 2 root 2, or ln 8 would be 3 ln 2, that kind of thing. But in this context, I think it's mostly that it's going to be factorised with things cancelled, if they can be cancelled.